Our home tour today is at Block 19 Jalan Tenteram in Whampoa. A high-floor 4-room unit is just up for sale. Entering the house, we have a large and spacious living and dining area, together with a utility room for you to store things away. A featured TV cabinet can be built for extra storage space and plenty of room for your own interior design style. Built originally in 1999, it is now rare to find such a spacious and long kitchen layout, which can also be transformed to a modern minimalist look. Welcome to the master bedroom, a squarish layout sufficient for a king-size bed even. You can also build a dressing table and cabinet for extra storage. This unit has plenty of room for interior design exploration with lesser built-in works. You can customize the layout to your liking. Bonus, this rare city fringe location is near to the popular food stretch in Balestier known as Whampoa Market. There's also a free shuttle bus service to Zhongshan Mall. If you love this listing, do give us a call. Want more home tours? Subscribe and like our channel for updated content. I'm Alex Devin from Devin Realtor Group, passion for property. Take care!